complications, more so I can say. Promises and deadlines make it hard to stay away. All these strings are attaching to me, and I can't find the scissors. Yeah, all in a tangle and we're back in a knot. I can't remember where I was, I forgot. Needing in all these holes that I need to crawl through a brick wall, it's hard to say the least. Where's that thought on complicated things? Where's that peace of mind, that peace that made it easy? Where's that simple day that simply made it nice to be in? Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Yeah. Tell me, what can you see? A huge cloud of shit hanging over me. Can you blow it out somewhere else? It's making it hell to distinguish myself. Tired of the tyrants who think they're the bee's knees. Pissed with the patients that constantly agree. Yes sir, 300 bags full, it seems.